Music. Many of us shape our lifestyles around it. It influences our clothes, our thoughts, and our society. But what genre of music has the most impact in this generation? Hip hop, a genre of music that can uplift our culture and highlight the stresses of our society.
I feel like my music is the reminder of what hip hop was before. So I try to pretty much keep up the tradition of what hip hop sounded like, so it's not forgotten. The technique that I use is something called sampling, and what sampling is that you're using different sound sources and making it your own. Like, let's say you have a vinyl record, you're manipulating the sounds that you want from that particular record, making it your own. In hip hop, that's how we perceive what hip hop is, making something that's not particularly yours, but making it yours, manipulating it to your liking, take whatever I need, make the sequence, the drum patterns, the sounds of the record, then I transfer it to my interface, and then that's when I do my recording, my mixing, and stuff like that.
What is your earliest memory of being introduced to hip hop?
Oh man, that's a good question. Actually, it would have to be 1992. I was 5 years old. I was born in 1987, and I grew up in Queens, New York. And the stations at the time that was very popular with hip hop, WBLS and Kiss FM, 98.7 Kiss FM, and Ralph McDaniels. You guys might know him, Video Music Box. Very influential when it comes to doing like preserving hip hop and like doing like a lot of interviews and things of that nature. He also had a radio slot at Kiss FM, and he would DJ and also do like he had his own show at Kiss FM, excuse me. And the first song that introduced me to hip hop, believe it or not, was Take It Personal by Gangstar, rest in peace to Guru. Just love the beat, and obviously I'm 5 years old. I'm not gonna know who Gangstar Guru is, but it's just that beat is what just got me interested in hip hop, and ever since then I've been a fan.
The same passion that we developed from our first encounter with hip hop is expressed with the different techniques of the art we recreate. Whether it is sampling or DJing, this is the preservation of hip hop.